In this video, we will see about the classification of electric drives. The electric drives are classified into three types: group drive, individual drive and multi-motor drive. We will see the advantage and disadvantage of each of the drives. Group drive, you can see the diagram. Three machines are here which are controlled by a single motor. So in group drive, a single motor will actually control the several machines. This has many advantage as well as disadvantage because a single line shaft is used to couple the different machines. Suppose any problem in the motor occurs, it will affect the whole process, and moreover it is difficult to control the speed of the machine. So let us see the advantages first. This drive is economical in the sense that if you use an individual motor for all the machines, it will be very costly. And in certain industries where you have to start the operation and stop at the same time, that is if you want to maintain some sequence of continuity in the operation, then this method is preferred. Otherwise, most of the modern drives doesn't prefer group drive. The disadvantages of group drive are no flexibility in control because only one machine is there. Any fault in the machine will affect the whole process, and a lot of noise will be produced at the site, and large amount of energy is wasted in the transmitting mechanism, and you cannot achieve constant speed control. Next is individual drive. So from the diagram we can see that for each work we have a different motor or individual motor for one application. So this is individual drive. The best example is a lathe. If you see the advantages, the power factor will be high, efficiency will be high, the machines can be located at any place, and failure of the machine will not affect the other process, and the maintenance of line shaft, bearing, pulley, that is not here because your system will get reduced. Okay, one machine for one motor. The disadvantages of individual drive are they cannot be employed for applications where sequence of operation is required. Next thing, it requires high initial cost because you need a different motor for each machine. Next is multi-motor drive. Here, as the name suggests, for each operation of the mechanism, a separate motor will be used. You can see here, two different motors are used to perform the same function. For example, these are preferred in complicated machine tools, rolling mills and cranes. If you take a crane, there are three motors, one for hoisting and one for long travel motion and another for cross travel motion. So in one application itself, you may need several motors, then it is called multi-motor drive. The advantages are power factor will be high and efficiency will be high, but disadvantage is that you need high cost. So the points to remember here are group drive is used where a single motor will actuate several machines. They are economical, but there is no flexibility in control, and if there is any fault in the driving motor, the whole process will be stopped. If you take individual drive, each individual machine is driven by a separate motor. So this has high efficiency and high initial cost. In multi-motor drive, separate motors are used for actuating different parts of the driven mechanism. Here also you will get high efficiency but again high initial cost is required. If you like the video, please subscribe to Read Electric Vehicle channel. Thank you.